Hey beauties. So I know this lighting is not ideal because it is 7:20 in the evening, which is very late for me, at least to be doing something like this. But anyways, so I have a window open if you hear chirping and such, and you see the reflection, so I'm going to do my best to stay in good lighting. I'm also going to insert a picture of my hair as of like a day or two ago, since I've been putting it up in a ponytail recently with courtesy of like 37 bobby pins in the back. Anyways, okay, so today we're gonna dye our hair and I'm excited because I have waited like 6 weeks, and you know me, if you know me, and don't tell me about how bad this is, but I do typically dye my hair like every 2 or 3 weeks. Not because my roots, obviously, my roots are brown, my hair is black, like there's really not a huge difference. The reason that I do it so frequently is I enjoy it and I feel like it refreshes the color, and I test out a lot of hair dyes. It's kind of a thing. So anyways, I saw this when I was at Walmart, so we're gonna give it a shot. This is Clairol Nice'n Easy 2BB, which is blue black, and it says 100% gray coverage. I do not have grays yet. I've noticed if you're like me and you have like 7 strands of hair, you tend to not go gray as soon as other people. My mom is also doesn't have much gray, and she has fine, thin, not very much hair. Whereas my mother-in-law has like thick, gorgeous hair, and she's like all gray. So that's just a theory of mine that is based on my own personal observations and absolutely no science at all. Okay, so let's dye our hair. She is stunning. They gave me gloves, but you know I hate these, so I will put them aside and keep them in case I ever need them, but I have my own gloves that I prefer to use. Okay, so we're gonna try the root to tip. Okay, so we're gonna do our roots first, and then wait 20 minutes, and then we will run it through the rest of the hair for the last 5 minutes. So let me take out my 3 million bobby pins. I know, I look like a mad scientist. Or like a troll that like watches over a bridge and charges a toll if you want to cross the bridge. The bottle has like this little dent. I feel like it's easy to hold and maneuver. The way that it comes out is nice. So again, we're just really trying to do the root area. If we get the rest, that's fine, but that's not the #1 priority here. Floral scent, and it's pretty nice. I mean, I don't get out much, but I still think it smells pretty nice. Okay, so I feel like we're pretty good roots-wise. So I'm gonna double check in the mirror in the bathroom, and I'm also going to clean up my ear and forehead area, and then I will see you guys in 20 minutes. Okay, so I did have to put, I almost said paper clip. I did have to put a bobby pin in because I obviously didn't just get the roots, so a bunch of my hair is dyed, and then it's like flopping around and like leaving dye marks like on my neck and stuff. So anyways, okay, so now we're gonna officially go through and cover up the ends. This looks gorgeous. Like, it is super dark. So I'm actually really excited for this, and I hope I'll leave down in the box how it lasts, as far as like, you know, 2, 3, 4 weeks from now, how the color is looking. And yeah, I had to switch gloves. I don't want to talk about it. I may have dyed our light switch in the bathroom. Don't tell Sean. Don't do it. Well, hopefully my hairline looks okay because I do have a video virtual meeting tomorrow morning. Because I think it's important before like something major that you do something drastic to your hair. Maybe not drastic, but okay, so we leave this go for an extra 5 minutes and then we rinse and use the conditioner, and I shall return. Hey guys, so sorry that it is the end of a very long day, and boy do I look it and feel it actually. So anyways, I do think the color came out beautifully. My hair looks and feels good. It is shiny. It was reasonably easy to like scrunch and make curly. Yeah, I feel like it feels and looks pretty decent. So far, my only complaint, for real though, is like my hairline is like super terrible looking. And I know that I'm not like masterful at that. I get that. I just feel like this dye is like less forgiving maybe than others in that particular area.